Yo, check it, the fuck is that smell? It smells like particle board and fucking meatballs. Weird shit.
BigNikoSippo foot doing recon, feel me? This place bigger than my whole damn territory.
Holy shit! This ain't no store, it's a fucking warehouse planet! Yellow-ass treehouse hell! Fuck! Kitchen. Biggie sitting. Need a damn breather. Whew.
Yo, Holmes, where the exit at? Shit, what's wrong with your damn face? Get back!
Where them fucking balls at? Ling what? Nah, dog. Give me the meat. Fucking Swedes.
Ha! Gotcha, little bastards. Biggie's gonna feast. Now how the fuck I cook 'em?
Hey, yo. Food court. My meatball salvation. Fuck yeah, Biggie smells victory. What? Another store? Are you fucking kidding me? I quit.